गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रेन। आज चलतु आम पढ़ा इंग्लिश 7th क्लास रो पोएम रन 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 लेसन 1 तार क्वेश्चन आंसर आज करवा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु इज द स्पीकर इन द पोएम? आंसर, द पोएट इज द स्पीकर ऑफ द पोएम। Question number 2. How many times does the poet repeat the word run? Answer. The poet repeats the word run 12 times. Is the poet happy? Why? Why not? Answer. Yes, the poet is happy to see a restless child who tries to keep himself full of activities. Question number 4. Find in the second stanza the word that means under. Answer. The word beneath means under in the second stanza. Question number 5. When should one run? Why do you run? Answer. One needs to run when one gets to be out of laziness. We need to run to free our body and minds. Question number 6. There are some words about nature described in the poem. One is the sun. What are the other words? Answer. The words related to nature and raindrops, trees, breeze, hillside, meadows. Question number 7. Does the poet like to run in the raindrops? Why? Why not? Answer. Yes, the poet always likes to run in the raindrops because it gives him nice feeling and merriment. Question number 8. Why does the poet start and end the poem with the word away? Answer. The poet uses the word away at the start and end of the poem because he wants to free the body and mind from routine life. Question number 9. What does the poet want the readers to do? Answer. The poet wants the readers to free themselves from routine life to real life and merry life. Question number 10. Do you like running through the meadow? Why? Why not? Answer. Yes, I like to run through meadow as it serves like soft and makes run enjoyable and harmless. अच्छा, ये गला सेशन 1. सेशन 2 रे देखिबा कंप्रेंशन एक्टिविटीज. अच्छा, choose the right answer from the options. First question, the poet wants to run in the raindrops. It पचारे कौन? The poet wants to run dash. Option A, into the city. Option B, away from the sun. Option C, in the raindrops. Option D, down the river side. The answer कौन ना? In the raindrops. The poet wants to run in the raindrops. Question number 2. The poet is dash. Happy, unhappy, angry, worried. The right answer is happy. The poet is happy. Question number 3. The word run has been used dash times in the poem. 5, 8, 12, 10. The right answer 12. The word run has been used 12 times in the poem. Question number 4. Which word is similar in meaning to greenfield? Option lane, meadow, breeze, merry. Right answer is meadow. अच्छा एबे आमे देखिबा सेशन 4 vocabulary. Match the following phrases under A with phrases under B. One is done for you. Option A and B रे ताकू आमे ट्रू कोटा लिखिबा. ओके. A run up. B right answer the lane. Run in the raindrops. Run through the meadow. Run beneath the trees. Run down the hillside. Given below a list of words on the left, write their meaning choosing from brackets against each word. अच्छा merry cheerful, breeze cool air, lane road, meadow greenfield. Okay. C. Given below are some words. Pair them together according to the they are pronounced. Away, sun, trees, run, again, breeze, day, lane. Answer. Away, day, sun, run, trees, breeze, again, lane. D. Mark the underlined word in the following sentence. Run down the hillside. The word hillside is hill plus side. Now you add side with the words river, country, sea, road, lake and right. The new words one is done for you. River plus side, riverside. Country plus side, countryside. Sea plus side, seaside. Road plus side, roadside. Lake plus side, lakeside. E. Order the jumbled letters and make words. One is done for you. YAD, TUNYRCO, NUR, SNU, ITYC, RETENEAL, DOWEAM. YAD, day. TUNYRCO, country. NURRUN, run. SUN, sun. ITYC, CITY, city. RETETREE, tree. NEAL, LANE, lane. DOWEAM, MEADOW, meadow. Session 6. Uses. A. Change the following lines like the example. I run into the sun. Example. I am running into the sun. I go to my school with my friends. I am going to my school with my friends. We play in our school playground. We are playing in our school playground. I come back my home. I am coming back my home. I wash my hands and legs. I am washing my hands and legs. I pray to God with my parents. I am praying to God with my parents. B. Read the poem and write the words which go with run. One is done for you. Run. In. Run out. Run away. Run down. Run into. Run beneath. Run back. Run through. Session 7. Writing. A. Read the following lines of the poem. They are not in order. Order them. You may see the poem if necessary. With each little breeze, run beneath the trees, run little races, run in the raindrops. B. Change the underlined words of the stanza using your own words and get your new poem. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, run there, then run back again. अच्छा, run down the countryside, run up the plain, run through the woods, then run back again. अच्छा पिलामाने आजी लेसन 1 रन रो क्वेश्चन आंसर टी सरी जाइछि। नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे हमें देखिबा लेसन 2 रो क्वेश्चन आंसर। रहुजी धन्यवाद।